Hello guys, this is Bobakar Njai. So today I want to show you step by step on how you can get the side splitting in just 2 weeks like this. Okay, so this is not something complicated. You can get this one in just 2 weeks, and you can turn to this side. So you can see. So stay tuned. First, to this one. So many times, both early in the morning and afternoon time, you can do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Let's go. Have this one like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the other side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come here like this. Remain this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the same in the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's test it out. Hold it here some minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's turn to this other side. We can test this side too. Let's go to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up. Okay. Strike this one like this, if you wish. And then, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my next videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.